Tash, me come as fast as me can. Me bust two red light, police run me down, me bust one tire. Me look up in a one man car back. Cause it's all like a dead, you are dead. What happened to you, Tash? What happened to you?
JT left me.
What you say? JT left you?
Yes, he left me.
JT will beat you? Will batter you so? Tash? We not tap give your bun? We not tap carry the money to the house? That the JT that left you?
Yes, I mean I do not wrong, me not do him nothing.
Aya holla? But Tash, you a real man, Keke. You shouldn't have rejoice and tell the dirty boy if you go on. But come here, me never know my friend. You're a man clown.
Stacy, you know how far we are come from.
No matter how far you come from, Tash, the man not right to treat you the way how he treat you. Make the boy go on. You can kill off yourself and make me nearly kill myself and come for you. And you know say, I left. Tash, you know say a blessing that. Look here, man, wipe your tears. Wipe your tears, girl. No worry yourself. When one door closes, another one open.